Good afternoon and welcome to MuscleCar Garage. Today we're featuring this beautiful 1957 Chevy BelAir convertible. This car was completely restored. Every nut and bolt was done on it. The undercarriage was done. All the chrome is spectacular. The chrome, you won't find a mark on it. You can see everything is done beautifully. It's got the gold accents for the Chevrolet. Opening up this hood on this car, you'll see that it's got the dual quads. They call that the Batman wing air cleaner. It's highly detailed. The radiator is nice and shiny. You'll see that everything was done. Every nut and bolt on this car was done to detail. It's really an amazing restoration on this car. Truly a beautiful restoration. You can see the paint finish is beautiful. The only thing this is missing is really Elvis Presley driving this car. This car is really beautiful. If you come down the sides, you can see how arrow straight the sides are. The sides are beautifully straight. Looking at all of the stainless and chrome on this, the windshield, everything was done on this car to perfection. Wait till you see the interior. The interior is a two-tone interior. It's got a beautiful red dash, all original. This is one classy 1957 Chevy BelAir convertible. As you can see, everything was done on it. All the door panels are beautiful. All the door jambs were done. All inside the door jambs are all done. The car is beautiful. Everything on this car was completely done. As you can see, all of the stainless, everything, all the way down, really, really beautiful. You come around here, let me show you the trunk. The trunk on this car, also highly detailed. As soon as I find the right key, that is. As you can see, it's got the correct decals in there for the jack. It's got the wheel, all of the inside. Look how stunning. This is all done. Everything on this car was done all the way around. Look at the bottom of the trunk lid. Beautiful. Again, with the gold accents around the license plate. This car is absolutely stunning. Call us at 973-758-8944. And please be safe with this coronavirus that's going out there. May God be with you and be safe. Have a nice day.